All right, BAD 1210. Welcome to our first full week. So this class began last Thursday, and your assignments for the last few days have focused on preparing for completion of the assignments throughout the rest of the semester. I gave you the first couple of days to get situated. Things like registering in MindTap, making sure that you can send an email in MyLearning, and completing those preparatory assignments. A quick check this morning of who's completed those assignments so far shows that less than half of you are prepared to move to the next module. So we need to make sure that we get that done. It's not a good sign for the start of a short 7-week semester. I expect each of you to be on top of the assignments and complete them in a timely fashion. They'll build upon each other, and as a reminder, I don't accept late work. So make sure that you go back and get on track, take a look at the schedule, and we start moving forward and completing the assignments in a timely fashion. All right, now that we had that out of the way, let's talk about the coming week. So in Module 1, we're going to cover the first 3 chapters, chapters 1, 2, and 3. In Chapter 1, we're going to lay the foundation of management, what it is not. We're going to talk about specific competencies or skills that a manager must have to be able to complete their mission effectively, to achieve their goals. And we're going to talk about those things in terms of what's critical, what types of skills are critical in management today, and we're going to look at things like management functions. What does a manager do? In Chapter 2, we're going to look back at the history of management. What worked in the past? How have things evolved? And we'll look at today's trends and what we may need for the future. How is management changing over time to match up with the work population, to the people? And then lastly, in Chapter 3, we're going to look at the environmental impacts of management, both internally and externally. What impacts our ability to manage, or what impacts our management style? You have a number of assignments due this coming Sunday, next Sunday night. These include 2 chapter assignments, M1A1 and M1A2. Those are in MindTap. And then you'll also have a discussion post and a quiz in MyLearning. So be sure to submit your initial post for your discussion no later than midnight Wednesday night. That gives everybody an opportunity to read that and respond. As you know, you're required to respond to at least 2 classmates, and nothing is worse than coming up on Sunday night and nobody has posted their initial response, so now you're left waiting and waiting and waiting, trying to find a post to respond to. So I look forward to seeing each of you in class on Tuesday. Remember, class begins at 5:45 and lasts till 8:35 at night, and we will start promptly at 5:45. Class will be held in ST 145 on the La Plata campus. And be sure to read chapters 1 through 3 prior to coming to class. That way you're able to participate in the conversation and provide valuable input and ask questions that you may have. So I look forward to seeing you in class on Tuesday, and I hope you have a great week. Thank you.